I want everybody to respond. There are some couple of questions which are very good. We will look at those questions. Now please pay attention here. This is Ssc Cgl model test number 31. Let's try to solve the questions on reasoning. So look at this question. The first question is on number series. And what's the difference between these numbers? Do you see huge increase or gradual increase here? Whenever there is gradual increase, we'll go for the differences. What is the difference here? 2. And this is 5. And this is 10. What should be this and this? So, what an ordinary student does is, look, ordinary student, what they do is, they go for difference of difference. This is 3, this is 5. So our next number should be 7, so this is 17. And next number should be 9, sir. So this should be 26. 25 plus 17 is 42, sir. 42 plus 26 is 68, sir. So exactly my answer is 42, sir. This is how an ordinary student thinks. I don't want you people to remain as an ordinary student. There is some difference with our institute and other institutions. I told you many a number of times, as soon as you see the number, you should be in a position to identify the speciality of the given numbers. I can write down all these numbers in the form of n square plus 1. Very good. And if you have identified the numbers as soon as you have taken the difference, 2, 5, what is the next number? 10. 2 is 1 square plus 1. 5 is 2 square plus 1. 10 is 3 square plus 1. What's my next number? 4 square plus 1, 17. 5 square plus 1, 26. 25 plus 17, 42. Done. Aipoin. Taking difference of difference, you are wasting another 10 seconds. Every second saved in CGL will help us to score more and more marks. Is this clear? Everyone? Because reasoning is the part where you have to score the maximum number of marks. Now let's go for this. I told you we will not look at those letters. We will only consider their place values. Consider the first letter with first. 5 and 3 minus 2. 8 and 11 plus 3. 12 and 8 minus 4. 17 and 22 plus 5. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. I'll go with the same thing. 9 minus 2, 7. G. How many options are starting with G? 2. 2 options. I can get my answer with the second letter. What should be done with the second letter? After minus 2, it is plus 3. 12 plus 3, 15. Oh, which option is my answer? First option. That's it. Next, this is an extraordinary question. This is not that easy to solve. Very, very, very tough. I'll teach you this. Come on. One of those rarest of the rarest questions that you can see. So, how much is 14 plus 2? How much is 14 plus 2? What is 16 square? 256. Reverse. Tough. This is tough. This is not that easy. See, this is what I say. This is what happens in SSC. They come up with some of those unique logics where you can expect only for SSC. You won't find these type of things repeating anywhere else. Very rare. So similarly, you see, I have done 14 plus 2. I got 16. 16 square, I'll get some answer, and that I have reversed and add both numbers. What is 23 plus 2? 25. What is 25 square? 625. 23 plus 2 is 25. What I have done is 25 square. 625 reverse. 526. 6 plus 5, 11. 5, 6 plus 5, 11. 1151. Option 3. One of those rarest of the rarest models. See, what I suggest to you is, yes, this type of things do happen in SSC. Whenever you come across questions on analogies or odd man outs, which is related to numbers, they do use this type of logics. But what I want to do is, you should solve as many questions as possible on this type of things, so that you have seen a model now. You should save this in your memory, in your buffer memory. Whenever it is necessary, bring it out of that memory, use it. అంటే ఈ విధంగా కూడా ఆలోచించాలి అన్న ఒక థాట్ అనేది నీ మైండ్లో క్రియేట్ అవ్వాలి. అదనా దిస్ థాట్ షుడ్ బి క్రియేటెడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ that you should also think in this different way. Is this clear? So let's go for the next one. 14. I told you many number of times when you come across these type of questions, look at the blank. What's the letter before and after blank? Somewhere or the other there is a blank before D. Here I see D before D. In the second place I see D here before D. Okay na? So if I put a D here, this becomes AC double D. Look at this, AC double D, AC double D, done, AC double D, simple as it is. With only one letter I have got my answer. Clear? Fifth, what's happening here? Truck. What is this truck coded as? T-R-U-C-K. T is written as 40. You see T and 40. You know what's happening here. What's the place value of T? 20. So 20 double is 40. 18 double 36. But 21 is marking it as 21. 3 double is 6, 11 double is 22. I am okay with this. I have 5 letters here. I can say he is going with the middle letter. Middle letter is same, whereas the first two and the next two, he has double their place values. But if I look at the next word, nest, I have only 4 letters. There is no possibility that I get a middle letter. Avuna kada? So let us also check what's happening with the nest. N is 14, is writing it as 28. E is 5, we have coded it as 5. S is 19, is coding it as 38, and this is 40. Look at this E and this is U. What's similarity between E and U? They are vowels. Vowels are coded with the same place value, whereas the consonants are doubled. R 18 double 36. A 1 1 1 because there is a vowel. I 9. Come on, second option. A question on syllogisms. Some animals are carnivorous, some carnivorous or wild, all wild or omnivorous. Some wild are animals. Is there any relation? No. Some omnivorous are animals. Still there is no relation. All omnivorous are wild. Do you see all omnivorous inside wild? No. What's my answer? None follows. Next, is this about a dictionary order? Yes. Select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in the order in which they appear in English dictionary, in an English dictionary. So if you observe carefully, the first 2 letters of every word, all the 5 words is same. Next is E-A-I. E-A-I. What comes first? A. Next E. Finally I. Where do I see A? 2. Where do I see 5? Answer should start with 2 and end with 5. Look into the options. Katam. Will I waste with the other 3 words? No. Next, what are you supposed to do? Interchange plus and into. This is a question on what? Bodmer's rule. You have to go with the options. He says 110 minus 15 into interchange algada plus 90 divided by 60 into 18 is equals to 22. What is 90 divided by 16? 1.5. What is 90 divided by 16? 1.5. Is this clear? Chappandamma. 33s, 32s kada bhai. Oh, sorry, 110 minus. Okay. 110 minus 115 plus 90 divided by 60 into 18. What is 90 divided by 60? 1.5. Entama 1.5. 1.5 into 18. Enta 27. So 110 minus 115 is minus 5 plus 27. Is it equals to 22? Done. మీరు చిన్నపిల్లలు కాదు, స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చేసుకుంటూ పోవడానికి. ఇక్కడ నీ పేపర్ ఎవడు కరెక్ట్ చేయడు. నోబడీ ఈస్ కరెక్టింగ్ యువర్ పేపర్. యు ఆర్ నాట్ సపోజ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ప్రొసీజర్. 1.5 into 18 equals to 22. Next I have to multiply 1.5 into 18. 110 minus 11y plus 1.5 into 18 is 27. Should be equals to 22. 110 minus 115 is minus 5 plus 27 equals to 22. Then this 22 is equals to 22. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. My answer is 22. Happy. I'll mark answer as 1. You are no more kids. చిన్నపిల్లలు లెక్కలు చేయకండి. అర్థమవుతుందా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Calculations, you have to be very fast. Extraordinary speed. 90 divided by 60, 1.5. Obviously next is multiplication. 1.5 into 18, 27. Katam. 110 minus 115, minus 5 plus 27. Done. What is my answer? 22. Close it. Bottommost rule. Do it as early as possible. Fast. Speed. There is a question on, this is question number 9. What is this? Blood relations. N is the only son of C. N is the only son. Next. Of C. A is the sister of B. Who is this A? Come on. A is the sister of B. Y is the father of R. R who is the wife of C. R is the wife of C. Then C is male. Who is the father of R? Y. Y who is the father of R? R who is the wife of C. Next, B is the daughter of Y's only daughter. So B is the daughter of Y's only daughter. Only daughter, already Y has a daughter kada. Evaru? R. So B is the daughter of Y's only daughter. So she is minus. B, already we have written, A is the sister of B. Antena? How is N related to Y? How is N related to Y? Grandson. Is this clear? 10th, virtue. V x plus 2. Virtue. V-I-R-T-U-E. Virtue. V and X. Next is what? C, B, Y, A, N. Antena? Yes. V squared as what? Chapandamma. X. X ఏ కదా చెప్పాలి. మరి ఏంటి సార్ ఎక్స్ అంటే ప్లస్ 2, 9, 3, minus 6, 18 and 2, minus 16. Now, Sudu, we have done hundreds of questions on coding and decoding. Yes or no? By seeing the differences between these first three letters, you can guess maybe this is not your answer. అవునా కాదా? ఇలా పిచ్చి పిచ్చి నెంబర్లు వస్తుంటే ఆబ్వియస్గా మనం గెస్ చేయవచ్చు. ఇంకోటి కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ వెన్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ విత్ the first letter with the first, second with the second, B plus 2 is X. Look at this M here, first letter is M. M plus 2 should be 15. What is 15? O. There is no option starting with O kada. Chapandamma. Ante letter to letter obvious ga waste. Avuna kada. Mari em jarutundi sir? We'll go in reverse. When you don't get answer with letter to letter, we'll try to solve it in reverse. This is E and this is X. E can be written as 31. Come on. Because 31 minus, this is 24. How much? Amma? 7. Last letter entity T. T minus 7 ante 20 minus 7 anta 13. Ante your answer should start with M kada. Chapandi. Is there any option starting with M? No. This is also not my answer. Come on, whenever you don't get even, answer with reverse. I am explaining you the step-by-step procedure, how to guess an answer with coding and decoding. Straightforward, you don't get the answer, reverse. If you don't get answer with reverse, divide. Divide into 2 equal halves. Why did I divide it into 2 equal halves? Because there are exactly 6 letters. Even in the question also I have 6 letters. Even number of letters, obviously I can divide into 2 equal halves kadamma. Chapandamma. Chalo chappu. 18, 24 plus 6. 9, 3 minus 6. 22 plus 6, 8. Oka order follow avutunda leda? Indake cheppa 31. 25 minus 6. This is how much? 21. U is 21. A is 27. Plus 6. 20 minus 6, 14. ఒక ఆర్డర్ అనేది మనకు వస్తుందా లేదా? ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే what we'll try to do is we'll go for the modest. MODEST. The next place value of D is how much? 30. 30 ena? Cheppandamma. Or else I can also go for D as 4. Now you put in 4 minus 6 4 plus 6 amma 4 plus 6 అన్నప్పుడు 30తో మనకి ఏం పని ఉంది? 4 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. అదే 4 minus 6 అయి ఉంటే 30తో వస్తుంది. Then we'll go use 30. Understood everyone? 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 10 is what? J. Middle one minus 6. 15 minus 6 9 I. 13 plus 6 19. J I S. How many options? 2 options. Next 20 plus 6 minus 6 minus 6. 14 N. S plus 6 19 plus 6 25 Y. ఇప్పుడు 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 అన్నప్పుడు what will I introduce? 31. 31 minus 6 is how much? 25 అంటే Y. J I S N Y Y. Which option is my answer? Come on. Is this clear? So did you all understand the order in which you are supposed to solve for coding and decoding? If you don't get straightforward, reverse. Reverse could rakapothe divide into 2 equal halves. Sometimes what happens is this can be written here and this can be written here. You will also see those type of logics. Maybe the code for the first half is written in the second half and the code for the second half is written in the first half. But luckily, first half is written in first, second in second. Clear? Let's go for the next one, 12th. What's happening here? Select the correct combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the star signs and balance the given equations. 8 into 108, I'm going with the first option, divided by 9 minus 40 plus 30 should be equals to 86. What's happening here? 108 divided by 9. How much is this? Amma? 12. 8 12s, 96. 96 minus 40, 56 plus 30. Luckily, a option man answer, first option. Next. Trouble. Trouble is written as G N D W Q T V. What should be? Teacher. Amma, what should be? Teacher. If you observe carefully, there is, the first letter is same gada in both the words. Cheppandamma. First letter is what? T and G. First letter is T and G. Mar deeniki kuda G avali gala. Is there any option starting with G? No. And very clear, I am not getting the answer with entity same letters. So G and D. Next is what? W Q T V. I am not getting the answer with the straightforward ones. And now when I don't get answer with straightforward, I'll go in reverse. E F G plus 2. L M N. B C D. U V W. O P Q. R S T. T U V. Reverse plus 2. What's the answer? Reverse plus 2. Shall I go for teacher? Come on. You should respond. R S T. Tata. E F G. H I J. T G J. Tarvata H I J. C D E. A B C. E F G. T U V. A answer. Done? A man walks 3 kilometers west. This is starting point, I'll consider it as A, 3 meters west. Turns south and walks for 7 meters. South and walks for 7 meters. And then turns right and walks for, then turns east and walks for 3 meters. This is each stop exactly parallel to A because the distance is same. Finally, then turns to his right and walks for 5 meters. You are supposed to go towards down, right, south. How many? 5. I'll call his ending point as B. It's not given in the question, but I'm considering it. Ante nenu ఊహించుకుంటున్నా A B అని అనుకుంటున్నా అంతే. Next entity, where is he now with reference to the starting point? What is starting point? A. Where is he now? 12 kilometers south. This here is 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 kilometers south. Is this clear? 15. What's 15? A plus B means A is the brother of B. A hash B means what? Chapandamma. A is the father of B. A dollar B means A is the wife of B. There are only three symbols, star, hash and dollar. Now in A plus B, A is the brother of B. Do you know the gender of B? A hash B, A is the father of B. Do you know the gender of B? No. A dollar B, A is the wife of B. Did you know the gender of B? Yes. Only with dollar we can tell you the gender of the second person. Kani question is, R is the child of P anundi. Avuna kada? R is the child of P ante simple babu. Mind upayoginchandi go. Mind upayoginchandi. Em kavali? R is the child of P. R is the child of P ante everywhere you are linking Q and R. Avuna kada? Everywhere you are linking Q and R ante there should be some relationship between P and Q kada. Maybe P is the wife or husband of Q. Chappandi. Then Q is the child of R ayundochu. Q hash R ante entidi? Q is the Q hash R ante emitamma? Q is the father of R. Q is the father of R. Ante pakka P should be the wife of Q kada. Only then you will get R is the child of P. What dollar antundu? Dollar ante endamma? So P is the wife of Q. Ayipoyindi kada answer? Ante kadam. 5 children A, B, C, D, E are standing in a row facing north. D has B in his left, full stop. Make a correction. D has B in his left. So D has B in his left. So B is to the left of D. Next. B and C are always together, next to each other, and C is at one of the ends of the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pakka this has to be C and this should be B, because C is at one of the ends of the rows. Is this clear? Next is what? So if you put C here, you can't get B and C adjacent to each other kada. Chappandamma. Next is what? D cannot be at 4th and 5th places. So this is D. E is to the right of A. Right of A is E. Who is standing in the middle of the row? Next. 14 fours. Come on, what is 14 fours? 56 plus 5. 37 threes. 90, 21, 111 plus 5, 116. 22 into 6, 120, 12, 132 plus 3, 135. Done kada? So 37 into 3 plus 5. 33 is 90, 7 3 is 21. 90 plus 21, 111 plus 5. Done, 116. B, J, Y, M and S play cricket. S scores more than Y but less runs than M. B scored more runs than M. B is scoring more runs than M but lesser runs than J. I've got the information about all the 5. Who scored the maximum runs? J. Begin. So B and Y. BEGIN. Y L J H K. Is this clear? So what's happening here? In a certain code language, what should be the code here? What's the code here? B opposite enti Y, but opposite to E is V kada. G is TIRNM. Opposite ఒక లెటర్కి వస్తుంది కానీ మిగతా లెటర్ వర్కౌట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. సో ఏం చేద్దాం సార్? Shall I go in reverse, sir? Come on. If I go in reverse, what's happening here? N and Y. Amma? Enti? Plus? Acha, this N and Y is plus 11. Next, IL. 9 and 12. Plus 3. అంతే కదా? తర్వాత G and J మా +3 EH అమ్మా 5 8 +3 కదా చెప్పండి BK ప్లస్ అసలు ఏంటిది చెప్పు ఏమో రావచ్చేమో ఎవరు తెలుసు చూద్దాం ఒకసారి పోయేదేమో చూద్దాం ఒక్క నిమిషం జోనల్ మా చూడండి జోనల్ L + 11 అంతేనా 11 + 11 ఎంత 12 + 11 ఎంత 23 అంటే W మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ Z + 9 అంతే కదా 26 + 9 is what 35 అంతే కదమ్మా 35 అంటే 9 అంటే ఏంటిది I అంతేనా మళ్ళీ that is what happening here. I am connecting these two. This is how much +11 this is how much +9 next 15 + 3 18 R 14 + 3 17 4 + 3 D W D Q R I W D Q R I do you have it in the options yes or no కానీ ఇది కాదమ్మా అసలు లాజిక్ అంటే ఏదో లక్కీగా కుదిరిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఓకే కానీ వాళ్ళు చెప్తా జాగ్రత్త వినాలి ఇక్కడే మీరు కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త ఉండాలి ఎప్పుడు కూడా there should be some consistency in the given logics is this clear I can also take B as 20 how much 28 కదా చెప్పండి అమ్మా this is 25 this is 14 and this is 11 this is -3 and this is -3 is this clear go for the same one Z O N A L Z 26 -3 ఎంత 23 W 12 - 3 9 what is 9 I ఇప్పుడు go for reverse 1 + 3 4 D 14 + 3 17 Q 15 + 3 18 R W D Q R I which option first option okay na but the examiner here had made sure that even though we got two different types of logics the answer is same the answer is avuna kada so they'll take utmost care while preparing the questions they don't make it just by ఏదో టైం పాస్ కోసం ఎవడు క్వశ్చన్ తయారయ్యాడు చాలా కేర్ తీసుకుంటారు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి అమ్మా is this clear 26 students ABCDF sitting around a circular table 6 all of them are facing towards the center come on what's happening here C is not an immediate neighbor of A but C sits to the immediate left of E. C sits to the immediate left of E. What's the next point? C is not an immediate neighbor of. So obviously this position is not for A. Gada. Next chadu. F is second to the left of D. A is second to the right of B. A is second to the right of B. When I say A is second to the right of B, can I say that B is second to the left of A? Yes or no? Chapandamma, A is second to the right of B. I can consider it B is second to the left of A. Why? Because both are facing same direction. When we are all facing same direction, if I am sitting to your right, then you will be sitting to my left. Ante kada? So ikkada em jarutundi ikkada? A is second to the right of B. Nenen తీసుకుంటా B is second to the left of A. A has 3 places to cover. Yes? A is not an immediate neighbor of C kada? Come on. A తీసుకోవచ్చా? No. Second left లో B వస్తాడా? A second left లో B? No. అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్. A second left లో B. దాని ముందు లైన్ ఏదో చెప్పిండు. F is second to the left of D. D ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో F కథం ఏంది second to the right of E. ఏందమ్మా katham done. So this is a question here. Make a correction. Some error has crept in. It is not 1350, 135 degrees clockwise, and this is 45 degrees anti-clockwise. 135 degrees clockwise and 45 degrees anti-clockwise. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Plus, minus. 135 minus 45. 90 degrees clockwise, anti-clockwise. Clockwise. Concentrate on this line here. This is pointing towards east. 90 degrees clockwise, I'll get it towards south. I'll have star here and I'll have this rhombus here. Avuna kada? In options, only one option. Endadi, first option. Next, I'm not sure what's going on here, but look at this. How will I try to do is, I'll go with this arrow here. 1 to 2, you're not sure kada? So 3 to 4 eldam. Arrow. 3 lo ekkadundamma? ఈ లైన్ ఏమంటాం మనం సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ కదా ఎక్కడికి వచ్చింది సౌత్ సౌత్ ఈస్ట్ బికేమ్ సౌత్ క్లాక్ వైజా యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజా క్లాక్ వైజ్ హౌ మెనీ డిగ్రీస్ 45 degrees what is this north east clock wise east and I'll get something like this arrow. How many options? Only one option. ఏంటిదమ్మా second option. 23 mirror image water image mirror image. What's my answer? Dead easy. Come on. First option. Now look at this. I'll try to draw this here only. I told you we'll go in the opposite directions. First, I'll get one small rectangle here. And then a triangle. This is how the image would look in the bottom. How many places do you see this? Come on. I can see this in 3 options kada 2 3 4 కానీ పైకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది I should get something like this. Yes or no? ఇది చూడండి అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ కనబడుతుంది అది only in the second option. 25 where do you see this? I can see this in the first option. Clear? Any doubts? No. Thank you.